Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, nothing much has changed as of right now. We are still basically in a very tight consolidation pattern between the value area low and the high volume node POC that you can see right here. Basically, Bitcoin is still failing to reclaim the weekly pivot and the POC, so we are trading below resistance as of right now. You can see previously this POC level was acting as support, and ever since we went down below it, right now it is acting as resistance. As for the outlook for the market in the short term, I do think that short term we are still possibly to go up and take out the highs. But right now we are getting some very slow choppiness and consolidation. Basically price action is very boring. You can see right here, if we go on the daily time frame, we do have in about 10 hours our new monthly candle open. So this is where I think we're gonna see some more price action, either be that at the beginning of the month or at the middle, like around 15th of April, basically at the middle or at the end of next month. I think we are gonna be seeing some volatility come into the market. We do have in about an hour JOLTS job data, which previously I do think does affect Bitcoin quite a lot, but as of right now, still, even though the liquidity is very low, we could not see such a bigger move. Basically, if we look at the open interest data, you can see the CVD is actually trying to go up, but open interest came down once again. You can see it is trying to build up again, but price is dropping during this whole time and open interest is pushing up, which is a bit bearish. But even though I still believe that we are gonna see some more momentum to the upside before we actually reject towards the downside. Now the most bearish scenario is that this 76k level was the top and Bitcoin will actually start breaking down from here to eventually drop below 60k. This is the most bearish scenario. But as of right now, as long as we hold this level, I do believe that we could see higher prices. The stock market is, as of right now, trying to bounce from here. You can see same thing for the Nasdaq. It is bouncing from a pretty significant support. We are holding this level quite nicely, so before more downside we could still see something like this on the stock market, maybe even reach into this previous support level that we broke. The dollar, you can see the dollar was very bullish and we reached this level once again, but on the weekly time frame we seem to be rejecting once again from this particular level. Now the next monthly candle could take us all the way up to around 101, 102. But as of right now, I do think when the new monthly candle opens, we could still see a potential move towards the downside for the dollar, and this is when we could see Bitcoin actually reach this 78 to 80k level. I do think that this is how this is gonna play out. Still, you can see we have quite a lot of liquidity stacked towards the upside, so I do think that, as I said, the short term, the next move is potentially going to be towards the upside. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. You can see the fear and greed index still sitting at around 26. spot ETFs, let me see, for today we actually got some nice inflows, around 69 million. Not a lot, but still we do see some institutional buying pressure, which is nice to see. Long versus shorts ratio for the day, we do have more buyers on the major exchanges. Right here on Hyperliquid, we do have more of the bigger whales betting on price to go up. So potentially, as I said, the next short-term move could be towards the upside. And the news for today are potentially gonna move the markets. And I do think that this will be it for today, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.